pretty awesome again. So we're back. It's been about, this is 6 days since we started this Rep Commando helmet, and now it's prep time. So we have lots of prep to do, and then we're going to get into the painting of it to make it look like Sev. So let's get started. Okay, what's up guys? We're about to start our sanding prep, and what I'll be using first is a 180 grit paper just for the initial cleanup, and then we're going to work our way up as in the rest of our cosplay videos for helmet builds. But first one I do always on these helmets is 180 grit. Let's get started. Alright, that's our initial sanding with the palm sander. Now we'll go hit it with some hand to get in on those tight spots and hit it with some primer. Alright, so now we're at the point where we've sanded it down to as much as we can for the initial. Now we're going to hit it with some filler primer. So as always, make sure you're in a ventilated area, have your respiratory on, and just let's cake this thing. We're just gonna cover it in a lot of filler primer. We don't really care about splotches right now, running, because that's all gonna get sanded off. There's gonna be a lot of layers on this. Okay, so there's the first layer. We're gonna give it 10 minutes and we're gonna hit it again, probably about two or three more layers before we take it in, add some Bondo, sand it down. Hey guys, what's up? 3D Occam here again. We did it. We're done. So thank you guys so much for following along with me. The Sev build is done, the helmet at least. We are going to be getting to the full suit. I want to give a special shout out to Urion for the filament that I used. As always, be sure to check out their store. Again, the description is right here where to go. Use code Occam for 10% off. I want to give a shout out to my wife Tao for helping me with this one. She actually painted the blood splatter on it and a bit of the weathering while I was at work, and when I came home. She is far more artistic than I am, so I want to give a huge shout out, but let's take a look at it. So the final product is, in my opinion, amazing. Really happy with the way it turned out. Full helmet yet to come. Full build yet to come. You can see some weathering and everything in there. It's really nice. It came out really good. Can't wait to build the rest of it. More future projects. As you can see, we have all 3 printers running. Urion on all of them. As I said, thank you Urion. Thank you to my wife Tao. Yeah, thanks for checking it out, guys. Hopefully you like it, and we'll see you next time.